No, this is not a briefcase. This is actually a fireproof document holder. You can hold documents in here, cash, credit cards, any keepsakes, anything that you want to keep protected from a potential fire, you can put it in here. It comes with this little built-in zipper lock. You see that? And when you get this out, it's going to have like a 000 combo to set to release the zippers. Watch. You just push that in, and it's going to go ahead and release the zippers. This is like a soft-sided bag, which is a little deceiving because you wouldn't think that a soft-sided bag would be fireproof, but it is. So when you open it up, you've got mesh compartments right here. You can see I've got some documents there. You've got this first flap. Look at all of these credit card holders right here. I mean, there's like a dozen or so. You've got mesh pockets right here. You've got another pocket right there. I mean, you can really load this thing up. Look on the back side. I have some documents here. Mesh, 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 mesh here on that flap, another mesh pocket, a ton of storage space. Here's your main compartment. I've got a picture in here. Look at all of these documents that I'm able to put in here. So we're going to put those in there. I don't even have this thing filled up. I mean, look at how much room is here. So everything that you want to keep safe, look at the amount of storage in that thing. I don't know if you can see that mark right there. I took a match and I kind of burnt the surface. So here's the trick to this bag, and here's why I think that it is fireproof. It's like a thick, reflective silver color, okay? And I believe that that has the flame retardants. I feel like this may still get charred. It does say that this can go up to 1,000 degrees. So it's better to put it in here than to not put it in here, okay? So when it comes to any important documents, whether it pertains to our home or our identity, our bank, anything like that, any pictures, any credit cards, any keepsakes, put them in here. Get yourself some peace of mind. They did a great job with this one. Pick it up, check it out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.